Yes, good morning to everyone. Today's lecture are very useful for who are preparing for central state government radiology aspirant radiology technologist. Last video are posted to the theory of the basic principle in MRI series on the YouTube channels, and this session are the section 2 basic principle are covered to the MCQs. So without wasting time, we are going to the further questions. So first question we are covering to the basic principle. Okay, covering to the basic principle. This lectures last lecture are the theory covered basic principles. So first question, which is which exception of hydrogen all matter composed of the three components is matter of the option number D, neutron, electron, proton. These are the exception of order, asking about the exception of order all matter composed to the three components. Okay, first question, first option given electron, proton, photon, proton, electron, neutron, photon. No, this is correct answer D. Okay, this positively charged component of an atom is called as positively. Ask the positively is a proton. Proton is positively, electron is negatively. Okay, these are the component of the neutron. Neutron is neutron in the proton and neutron. So his correct answer is asking about the positive. When asking the negative, you can going to the electron. So his correct answer C. Okay, then negatively charged, asking about the electron is the A answer. Okay, proton, negatron, neutron. Okay, but correct answer is A. Then neutral component of an atom is called as neutron. C. Neutron is a neutral component and is composed in the atoms, and atom is composed with the nucleus. Nucleus is the proton and neutron, and uh, in the cell, K shell, L shell is covering the electron. Electron is a negatively charged. They are affected to the X-rays. And then nucleus of the hydrogen atoms is made up of one nucleus of last last theory are covered with Dumskan ma'am to hydrogen atom, proton, neutron, electron. These are questions to coming from the this session. So this is a nucleus of hydrogen atom is made up of neutron, electron, photon, proton. This is a nucleus. Nucleus is a proton. Correct answer is a proton. Sorry, this is the proton. Then which material there the highest magnetic potential when there is a atoms are ground grouped is known as, is correct answer is domain. Just a moment. Is correct answer is a domain. Is D. Material reaches highest magnetic potential is a domain. Okay. Fringe is fringe field. Field is a field. Regional. Regional is not the regional is the, as called as magnetic principle, which is the atoms is grouped is are known as domains. Okay. Then question number 7, material that weakly attached in magnetic field to is to be there is diamagnetic is repel, paramagnetic is weakly attached, and ferromagnetic is highly attached. So its correct answer about asking about the weakly is a correct answer is a paramagnetic. There is given to the paramagnetic option number B. Highest in magnetic field is ferromagnetic. So is there is correct answer is a, just a moment, what happens, yeah, is a D. Sorry, B. Its correct answer is a B, paramagnetic. Okay. Material that is strong attached to the magnetic field is a ferromagnetic. Then material that is slightly repelled from magnetic field is said to be is repelled. Repelled is a resistive, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, diamagnetic. Its correct answer is paramagnetic, B. Then three type of ferromagnetic. Just a moment. Its correct answer is a diamagnetic. Sorry, is a diamagnetic. Is a D answer. Then three types of ferromagnetic material is a copper, titanium, aluminum, iron, cobalt, nickel, boson, niobium, tin. None of the above. Is correct answer is a B. iron, copper, nickel is ferromagnetic. Then uh, if is asking about the uh, paramagnetic, then copper, titanium, aluminum. So is accepted to the in MRI, but as term and condition accordingly. To exist magnetic field have two poles, therefore the commonly called is a dipoles, not a vector. Okay. Then line respective of the field in magnetic is known as, is correct answer is flux line. Flux line. Line of the represent of the magnetic field in magnetic is known as flux magnetic. Okay. Then strength of magnetic field is measured in the Tesla. So there is a signal density, signal intensity, induced ability, flux density. Is correct answer is flux density. Intensity of magnetic measurement. So is a strength of magnetic field is a flux density. It Tesla and Gauss. Here is option no. So flux density is the correct answer. Then strength of magnetic field is most commonly represented by unit of measurement is a Tesla. If given in the lower than the Tesla is a Gauss, lower unit. Okay. uh, 10,000 Gauss is equal to the 1 Tesla. Okay. Then 15,000 Gauss is equal to 1.5 Tesla. Then which law is used to MRI describe how magnetic field is induced by following the current is known as Diamond law, Murphy law, Newton's law, and Faraday's law. So its correct answer is D, Faraday's law. Law of which describe magnetic field. Magnetic field described Faraday's law. Okay. Then which of the following advantage of permanent magnet MRI system? Very heavy, low operating cost, flex strength, magnetic field. So its correct answer is which of the advantage of paramagnetic magnet is a flux density. Its correct answer is a B, low operating cost. Just a moment, yeah. Its correct answer B. Okay. Then which of the what types of molecules make 15 to 90% of person's total body weight? Is waters, fat, oxygen, nitrogen. Is correct answer is a person of the waters. 52. That's why is proton taken in the MRI is considerable. Clinically, MRI is based on the generation of the signal from the nucleus of which atoms? Helium, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Is correct answer is a MRI generating signal is a hydrogen. Hydrogen is a proton, H2O. Nucleus of the hydrogen atoms carries what types of charge? Asking about the nucleus. Nucleus is a proton and neutron. Is neutron negative is a positively charged. Its correct answer is positively charged. Then spin of the proton of the hydrogen atom is known as nucleus spin, axial momentum, then hadronic spin and angular moment. Its correct answer is the 22 number is a angular moment. Spin of the proton is a angular moment. Then question number 23. Because of the nucleus hydrogen atoms such as like bar magnet is called as is said to be the magnetic ratio, magnetic moment, Larmor ratio, frequency. So its correct answer is a magnetic moment. Is correct answer B. Then because of spinning nucleus of the hydrogen atoms has both north and south pole is commonly called as electromagnetic bar magnet. Is correct answer B, bar magnet. Then which place is external magnetic field hydrogen nucleus? Resonant, become excited, become aligned. So it under magnetic field. External magnetic field is a under magnetic field. So it's a become aligned. When the magnetic field reaches to the become aligned and align non-aligned. So it's a aligned. Become a aligned. So is correct answer C. Under magnetic field when the when the hydrogen atom is aligned parallelly. Then which being placed in an external magnetic field strength, high energy hydrogen nuclei point in which directions? Anti-parallel, anti-parallels, parallels, perpendiculars. So anti-paired. So is correct answer C, anti-parallel. There is a description. Lower energy protons is a parallel, high energy proton is a anti-parallel. Okay, lower energy is a parallels. Going to the hydrogen atoms is a parallels. Then which being placed in an external magnetic field is low energy hydrogen nucleus. point in which directions. Low energy is a parallel direction. Okay. When placed in external magnetic field, hydrogen nucleus that are of clinical interest pair, parallel pair, antiparallels. So parallel unpair. So is perpendicular pair. So is a parallel unpaired. So is correct answer C. Then uh, when the patient is placed in an external magnetic field, the nucleus of the unmatched hydrogen proton usually equals 1 billion, 1 million per million, few per billion. So is correct answer C. Then the sum of the unmatched parallel proton in external magnetic field mixed up the what is called external magnetic field, internal magnetic field, resonant magnetic field, then net magnetic field. So this correct answer is a net magnetic field. This unmatched parallel proton is a net magnetic vectors. Then what types of rotation that is displayed by the hydrogen nucleus in the external magnetic field is known as resonance. Then MRI. So is a R of the resonance, and the resonance is type of rotation displaced by the hydrogen nucleus in the external magnetic field. These are the definition of the resonance. Then which perfect magnetic field all proton rotate, different frequency, all same frequency, uh, under determined frequency, none of the above. Within perfect magnetic field all proton, perfect magnetic field is the same, perfect magnetic field all proton are the same frequency. The speed at the which proton rotate the external magnetic field is known as speed of the which proton rotate the external magnetic field, precessional frequency. These are Larmor equations given to them. Then the ratio of description constant at which any magnetic nucleus will precess in the 1 Tesla magnet is known as magneto-Grice ratio and gyromagnetic ratio. Is correct answer D. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you any beneficial, so likely comment, or any doubts, so likes and subscribe the channels. These are video made for only your perspective of exams and your good wishes photos. Okay, thank you so much.